So today guys, I'm doing something a little different. I'm going to make some pepper lamb that you haven't seen before. It's just a mixture of like spices, aromatics, and it tastes great. I'm using some lamb shoulder at the moment. This is the best lamb to use for this dish. Normally I'll try to get thin pieces of lamb from my butcher, but I could only get these thick lamb shoulders. You could use the lamb chops if you want, but this is what I got today. So let's butcher the lamb together with my sharp knife, and let's cook together. Make some delicious food. This dish only takes 3-4 ingredients. It takes onions, hot peppers, and some spices, and some chadon. Some people call it culantro. Since we're in Trinidad, I will call it chadon. Trying to get all the meats off the fat. So this is roughly 1.5 pounds of lamb shoulder that I cleaned with flour and vinegar, and I'm going to season with some aromatics to show you. So I'm going to go in with some onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon. After that, let's go in with some garlic powder. Some dry thyme, of course. I love thyme. Fresh thyme is good as well. Some paprika. Everybody loves our paprika now and again. So 1/2 teaspoon of paprika. Quarter teaspoon black pepper. Half teaspoon of salt. Now for the exciting part. some olive oil, maybe like half teaspoon of olive oil, and we mix. And we let marinate for at least an hour or two, or overnight. Could be best, but I'm in a little hurry today, so I'm gonna give it 2 hours. So while the lamb is marinating, we can do some aromatics in the meanwhile. So I diced up some 1 clove of garlic, and I will probably take a half of an onion, julienne style, nice and thin. In the bowl, we will do some sweet pepper, same julienne style. We will maybe do like a 1/4 cup of julienne sweet pepper, nice and thin. Lastly, a hot pepper. This is a hot chadon pepper. Alright, this pepper is very hot, so I have to wash my fingers. And that's all I need. That's that. Almost forgot the beni. So we have like 1/4 cup of beni, and we cut it nice and fine, like this. This is to put at the end of the dish to finish off the lamb. Alright, let's start the lamb. So I have a cast iron pan, which works the best because it gets so hot. It gets that lamb so nice and crispy and soft at the same time. And put some olive oil in there as well. Normal olive oil. Put probably like a tablespoon. Let that come. It's very hot. Smoking point. Then I'll add the lamb. Okay, so the pan is very hot. It's smoking, so I'll be adding the lamb. So we have to do 2 batches since all may not fit in the pot. Add a little more oil. Let that cook. Okay, so it's been 3 minutes. As you can see, the lamb has caramelized lipids. And that's what we want. That's what we need. These are smaller pieces, so it'll cook faster. And then we'll finish it off in the same exact pan. So by then the lamb has been on for 53 minutes. I'm going to flip the char. You need this char. This what makes it, gives it all the flavor. And then we cook the next side for the same 2 to 3 minutes. Now look at that. It smells so lovely. What's your favorite cut of lamb? You can do that with steak as well, or even chicken breast. So I'm gonna let that cook for 2 more minutes and then do the next batch. Okay, so we took out the last pieces of lamb. Now we're gonna sort up the vegetables. Here we go. So we added the onions, the sweet peppers, the garlic, and the hot pepper. The hot pepper is a Scotch bonnet pepper. We caramelize the vegetables now until we throw in the meat. It should take around 3 to 4 minutes. We then throw in the beni as well. So the beni comes last. Okay, so let's see how it looks. So this is what you're looking for. Some nice caramelized vegetables. This is a must try. So we're ready for the lamb now. And lastly, give it a beni. And we mix. So this is what we call pepper lamb. Tomato Hong Kong hot fried. That's very tasty. So this is the final product. You know I must have to taste it. So I'm going to taste it just now. I'm going to add a little butter on top to let that melt down.